The ETF meaning extends way beyond just the basic definition, you know? Exchange-traded funds really encompass how these instruments capture institutional money flows and those predictable cycle patterns. Understanding what ETFs truly represent, that transforms your perspective. They're not just simple diversification tools, they're systematic vehicles anticipating quarterly institutional adjustments. And of course, those Federal Reserve meetings. Rotations and seasonal capital deployments, they all point to a deeper comprehension. ETF meaning in the end separates consistent returns from just passive investing. ETFs, they concentrate institutional flows into tradable vehicles. Unlike individual stocks, where institutional money kind of disperses, thousands of companies and sector ETFs funnel all that capital together. Technology, healthcare, financials, you get exposure to all of those in single funds. This concentration, it creates observable patterns as institutions adjust. Allocations, they rotate quarterly and move sectors around those Fed meetings. Pension funds deploy seasonal capital and they might reduce technology exposure at quarter end and execute those trades in technology. The calendar-based rotation pattern is really inherent to ETF meaning. It creates systematic opportunities that repeat with remarkable consistency. Defensive sector ETFs, like utilities and consumer staples, receive institutional inflows about 2 or 3 weeks before Federal Reserve meetings, regardless of economic fundamentals. Growth sector ETFs, on the other hand, experience renewed buying after Fed decisions conclude, and policy uncertainty dissipates. That's when institutional risk protocols allow for a shift in allocations. Price channel analysis defines normal institutional positioning ranges as sector ETF trades move lower. A boundary is established in the channel during known institutional activity. The buying window, which is a combination of signals, gives us a high probability setup. Entry timing at the channel boundary, that represents where institutional accumulation has historically begun, so calendar awareness is key. This also indicates when pressure might materialize at the upper channel. Boundaries signal extended levels that could face probable reversals. If you're ready to trade with more discipline, clarity, and confidence, and predict the market days or even weeks in advance, join the Market Turning Points community and visit stockforecasttoday.com.